Have you ever needed to read, write, process images and videos in Python? The image library will make it simple. In this video, we are going to explore its key features and get it in action.
Imageio supports a wide range of formats like PNG and JPEG, animated images, volumetric data such as medical imaging, and scientific data formats. With Imageio, you can easily handle tasks such as image manipulation, conversion, and analysis. It is a cross-platform, runs on Python 3.9 plus, and it is easy to install. It is very flexible and easy to use, so it makes a popular choice for both beginners and advanced users in the field of image processing. And coming to installation and setup, it requires minimum Python 3.9 plus using of NumPy, Pillow with a version greater than 8.3.2 to install Imageio for different environments. For Conda environment, this command is used to install Imageio. For pip, we use pip install Imageio. If you want to install directly from source, we use Python setup.py install. For importing Imageio, in your Python script, we use import Imageio. Coming to key features and explanation, you can read and write images in more than 295 supported formats like JPG, PNG, JF, JF, and many more. Imageio is a great tool for any multimedia project and also has read or write support for various resources like files, URLs, bytes, file-like objects. It is a simple and consistent interface, having a few core dependencies only: NumPy and Pillow. Extensible plugin system. Imageio uses a plugin system to manage the different image formats. This makes the library flexible and easy to extract.
See some code examples. Here we are importing Imageio.v3, which is the version 3 of Imageio as a IIO, and we are using the command imread to read this Imageio.png file and store it in the array format. We are printing the shape of that array, which is this one, and we are also reading the anime.gif from by using imread command. And index equal to none is used to read all the images in the file and stack along the first axis. We are printing the shape of these frames, which is this one. It contains a 4, which is num frames, the number of frames, height, width, which is the dimension, and the channel. In the second example, here we are importing Imageio.v3 as IIO and importing IO. We are giving this web page URL and downloading it by using the im.read and storing it in the form of arrays. Here we are using the command iio.imread to transfer this frames array into a byte object, and again iimo.imread bytes image will convert the byte object into the image one. Byte stream is equals to this. We are using this command to create an in-memory file-like object, and we are transferring back into the image by using this command. Here we are using frames is equals to iio.imread file-like object. It will close here in file class myfile object. It will return the bytes image. The third example, here we are importing Imageio as IIO and importing NumPy as NP. Here we are using getReader command to get the frames from this MP4 file, and we are using getMetadata command to get the metadata from this video reader. We are creating an empty list by using the for loop. We are getting the frames in the video reader and appending it. We are changing it to an NP array type. By using this command, we are changing the frames to the grayscale. By using this command, we are changing the grayscale to RGB format. By using this memwrite command, we are saving the processed frames in example grade.mp4, and we are coming to the user cases. You can incorporate Imageio into your data analysis workflow to easily read, manipulate, and save image data. It's perfect for visualizing data insights and generating graphical reports. It is also used in the machine learning and medical imaging and web development. Coming to the conclusion, Imageio is an easy-to-use, flexible image processing library. It handles a wide range of image and video formats and features a straightforward API, making it an excellent utility for developers, data scientists, and creators alike. By leveraging Imageio, you can reduce your image processing efforts and devote more time to your creative and analytical tasks. Happy coding!